ko, kainin mo to. Ay, gusto mo lutuin to? Ako, hindi ako kumakain yan. Alam mo yung kwan, hindi naman yan, hindi ba, iba yan kasi to. Eggplant. Kukanin lang siya. Good morning, ayan. Alas 7 na, 7:30 na ako nagising. Kasi kagabi, 12 na ako, 12 na kami nakatulog dahil nga nag-edit ako, tapos kumain pa. Tapos ayun, gusto ko ipakita sa inyo yung aming likuran kasi mag-harvest ang asawa ko ng okra. Ayan, papakita ko po sa inyo. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, papakita ko po doon. Ito, medyo basa na dito, kaya dandahan lang tayo. Sabi ng aking biyanan, maglagay ka ng takip sa ulo kasi malamig yung panahon. Gawa nga ng maulan, nag-ulan-ulan na. Punta tayo, ayan, dahan-dahan lang tayo. Baka madulas tayo. Hirap na. Yes, Majan kangkong is growing so fast when there is water. Ayan. Ayan yung aking mga kangkong. Nagulat yung asawa ko, ang bilis daw tumubo kasi nga tag-ulan na.
We just bring only little. We just plant only little and then little here and then look last week this one we plant. Growing a lot.
Yes, Majan. You know why this
and
one?
It's yummy. When we are cooking like Indian sag, it's yummy to eat.
Yes, and look, the leaves is big. Not unlike the one he's selling.
Yeah, it's small.
Because it's you know why? Because of the land. It's not growing good. This is growing good.
Because he did not keep long time. A little bit grow, he harvest and sell. Look like this. It still was like this. He harvest there. Still small, he harvest.
Ayan ang aming kangkong.
No need to sell.
Ayan. Ayan pa yung ibang kangkong. Kung makikita nyo, ayan. So, ito, hindi ko alam kailan tanggal ni aking biya. Daddy, when he will remove this one, so I can plant the okra. Ay, okra? No, not okra. I can plant my sabji, the other sabji.
Okay. Yeah, if you plant this season monsoon, it will grow because it's raining always.
Ayan. Meron kaming mga gulay dito.
The red fly. The white pepper. The khatana po.
Which one?
Patawa.
Oo, yan.
The fly should be for medicine. The khatana sa din po.
Ayan pa yung aking kangkong.
For medicine. This is ampalaya, Philippines dito. From Philippines.
Ayan tong ampalaya. Uy, ang daming bunga nga ng aking ampalaya. Ayan. Ang lalaki.
There's many. Yesterday my mom she harvest with. Okay. Look here. One is dry. One here. Look here. It's dry.
Yes, go harvest.
I don't know why it's karban.
Majan because of the it's
Here a lot come
shumi.
slowly, huh? Yesterday my mom harvest a lot.
Ang dami nila dito. Nasa mangga sila. Kaway mangga din na magbunga yan. Oo. Don't touch it, they will die. Oh, ang dami. Uy, ang laki na yun. Nandun pa, oh. Yung isa doon, nung hinarbis namin nung nakaraan, ano yun? Yan, lalaki na ng aking kuwan. Yung aking, ayun. Ang tawag dito, eggplant. Yung aming eggplant, marami ng bunga.
My father harvest the okra.
Oo. Ito yung beans ko is galing Pilipinas yan, ayan. May bunga na.
Look the how to ride like a Navarro village. It's so big because it's not dinner. Huh?
Let's go there. So, okra. Ay, yung pang Philippines
My
din.
father harvest. I said that how is that? To ride from the house.
Ayan yung aking father-in-law.
Okra.
Nag-harvest siya ng okra. Gusto kong kumain ng okra, yung yung kukanin lang siya. Gusto ko yung bulaklak ng okra din. I want to eat only boiled. No,
Fresh.
no,
Fresh.
Yes, organic.
उसमें फरा है
Huh?
Can I see the squash?
उसमें फरा है
Squash.
ऐसे गोल का
Ayun, nandun yung squash. Ayan.
Look at this one. Look here.
Ah, wow. You cannot remove that small
It's
one.
small even.
Okay.
Huh?
I will eat only. That okra is only for me and Lakshmi.
Yeah.
What
Look
you
there.
will...
Look, maybe next week it's grow a lot. Look here.
So, yung daming
Oh
bunga.
my God, look here. Look here a lot. Oh.
Yes, this one also, look.
Yeah.
Pa.
Look here.
Oo nga.
Look here.
Ang daming bunga kaso maliliit pa. Be careful. Hindi ba pwede gulayin ang dahon ng dahon ng
Next week it will
okra.
grow a lot.
Ang daming bunga ng aming gulay. Ayan Marami silang bunga, maliliit pa yung iba. Yung iba kasi, kung pwede ako kumain, kakain na ako ng kuwan. Let's go let's...
I try to निकाले for you. This one also is
Ayan, ayan is patula naman yan.
ऊपर
Patula yan.
this is
Patulay.
घेवड़ा, the one.
Yeah, but we call it patula.
Yeah, it's going up.
Ayan. Daming bunga ng aking Plus may kangkong, may papaya, kulang na lang ang manok. Naku, kung pwede lang ko ng papaya, kumain ako. Magluto ako ng manok na may Wala nga lang magic sarap. Oh. Tapos meron kaming kuhan, yung aming sitaw, yung aming talong. Ano pa? Meron din kami dun kahapon. Meron din kami dito yun. Natakot ako pumunta Inakyat ni Papa G dito yung yung isang ang tawag dyan, kalimutan ko naman, kalabasa. Tapos yung aming papaya nandun. Ayan, may mga papaya pa kami dyan, may saging. Ayan, naku po, sarap ng tinola. Kaso alam nyo ba, parang ayoko magtinola dito kasi yung manok nila, native ba, parang bago. Na ko baka malansa, pero subukan ko. Tingnan nyo namatay yung aming ukwa dito, ang palaya. Ang dami pa naman bunga. Sayang. Bakit kaya? Kaya namatay to. Wala, kasayang naman, uy. Walang ginawa dyan. Kasayang. Nung nakaraan lang, si Biana naggulay dito Saan kasi malaki ng daming bunga Aray ko, kasayang naman nito. Bakit namatay? Sayang. Ito rin patula. Itong mangga namin. Yung mangga namin, nagbigay lang siya ng 2. Siguro hindi sila makahinga. Why it's dead? No more? What I will cook for your, your subject? What I will cook sa... At gustong-gusto ko magluto nung kuwan, pakbet. Wala naman akong magic sarap.
Look, all is coming baby.
Oo. Ayan, maraming eggplant, maraming bunga. Daddy, there, I can cook, you can remove the,
Here, two.
you can broke them.
You want to fry?
Yes.
Can we eat?
Oo.
You and
Wow, it's fresh. I like, kinat na.
It's okay. You
It's
can.
okay. The other one, there's also bigger.
This one.
Oh, yes. And there's also bigger, Daddy. If we did not harvest it, they will eat the insect will eat. Wow. Ayan na naman. May gulay na naman tayo.
Organic. Organic eggplant. There's more. Oh, there's one more.
Go.
This one can you harvest?
Wala. Oo. Ay, marami naman tayong gulay. Yung yung ampalaya, maraming bunga. Kaso, gusto ko ng pakbit. Hindi naman ako makapagluto ng pakbit. Ayoko ng asin lang at saka paminta, hindi kakain si Laxmi. Gusto niya. Tapos meron akong sitaw, oh. Kalabasa. Malit yung kalabasa ko yan. Pinakbit na talaga. Sitaw na ka, nagbunga yan eh. Kasi may bunga siya. Yung iba kong gulay hindi ko pa tinatanim. Tatanimin ko yun.
Should we not put together the ampalaya or beans?
Yeah, that's why my beans cannot not grow. Ang daming bunga ng aking ampalaya. Okay. Ang daming bunga. Kaso yung isa, what happened the other one? Last time Mami J harvest the ampalaya.
Dry, maybe it's ceramic or what, I don't know.
Sure, maybe.
Cows.
Spouse,
This is
scout,
This
scout,
one is cows. Yeah, it's going up there. They are putting there. My father all is making, fixing. Look, the papaya is coming new, baby. It's a lot. When you grow, maybe next month. After
Hindi
1 month, 2
kaya.
months. Look, until this, the down one all we eat, right? Me,
Yeah. How alas lemon?
yeah, lime.
Lime. Meron kaming lime kaso nasa gilid. Ang tagal yung tumubo niyan eh. What's this, Daddy? What's this plant?
This is flower.
A flower. Gumamela.
Yeah, look one papaya here. Many papaya, maybe almost 10.
Why we cannot put the mango? The one with here, we can put it here so it will grow. Mango. Look, there's mango. Have a lot of mango. Better we put more mango, Daddy. It's better we put more mango here also in the future. Maybe we can harvest mango. Look.
Yeah, it will grow all. And look, it's how tiya.
Nasaan na yung malunggay ko?
अरे दब कैसे गोइल हो इतना बढ़िया फूलल रहल है
Wala na yung malunggay ko. Ayun oh.
हां इका सब काट डाले वाला भाई दिस वन है
Yes. What happened?
अरे उखाड़ के नाही एगो ढपा जाई तब बड़न हो जाई पेड़वा त नाही पहिया को हमवा खाना ऐसे बड़न हो जाई पूरा ऐसे मोट के जाई
कहां ने हमसे बतावला ना तो कोई तो फूटल फूटल बर्तन लोहे पर धो दे रे
ढापन चाहता है देख देना ढपले नहीं पता नहीं कैसे निकल गया इतना बढ़िया फुलाई लल सब काट जाना
Kinain ng ano?
झुरा गइल लल फुला गइल लल
Kinain ng ano yung... The good eat, Daddy, may malunggay. Kinain ng gutong malunggay ko. Oh.
जरूरी बा डिलीवरी भइले के बाद ऐसे नहाई पतवा से करे हां तो कठिन
Yan yung isang malunggay dito.
लोग
बेगन काटे पड़ी
Ayan.
ये तो का कटवा में सब फुला तक
एक लगे खोरे के लगे कुछ दे
अरे उ रहे तो पेड़ बढ़न होके दो बढ़न न मोट के होई जे तरह मोक पेड़ वाला है ओतन के होई ये पौधा है
एगो तो बहुत हो गई
हां तो ये बहुत हो जाई तो वो फरी है बन दो जुरा गइल तो ने फरल है फरी लेकिन ओके कम लुक हियर लाइक लेमन दिस इज लेमन
Ayan, may lemon din kami dito.
दिस इज
Ayan yung lemon. Halo-halo yung aming ano dito pananim.
दिस इज फ्लावर
Should be the flower only there. Dead boy. Look, it's dry. Last time she harvest, yes. Sayang nung ano, mga bunga talaga.
I want trees look on trees
Yes, but like, what happened? Of course, maybe the, ano, maybe, wala na, namatay na. Sayang no, namatay na, daming bunga. Siguro nabunot to. Oo. Maybe, ano, the accidentally, ano, bunot.
they are the one who organize it.
Okay, let's compare. Maybe there is a snake come out. May sili din kami, ayun.
Chili.
Sili. Sili, tamang sili. Tara na. Mukha ng gubat ng ating ano.
Look guava. Look at the bite.
Gubo. Guaba.
Guava tree. Look, guava tree.
Yeah. Ito rin sa kanila, gulay din to eh. Ginugulay din yan eh. Kasi nakaraan may dala yung aking ano, asawa. Ginulay din nila. Masarap din siya, para siyang kangkong. Pero ang pagluto sa kanila, dry siya, hindi siya may sabaw. Oo.
Did you show the banana?
Not yet. Oh, let's go the banana. Ayan si Biana nagwawalis.
We will put highlight. Come here. Wow. Look over here.
Look. Ang aming mga saging, ayan. Ayun yung isa, dalawa, tatlo. Kaso ano yung saging sa kanila, ginugulay yan eh. Ay, hindi naman yan, ano eh. Hindi naman yan parang, alam mo yung kwan, hindi naman yan, hindi ba, iba yan kasi pag nahihinog eh. Kaya, wala din. Hindi ako nakakakain din. Ito, ang daming bunga ng guava, daddy, oh. Oh, maybe. Ang daming bunga, ano, ripe. Ang daming bunga.
It's coming monsoon, it will be right.
Wow. Ang liliit pa yung iba. Meron dito malaki eh. Let's go check here. Come check here, daddy. Oh, lalaki dito, daddy, oh. What's this? Ah, show them the ano. May alaga kaming ano, pagong.
So market kita na pikal pa.
Ito yung alaga namin, oh. Ay, dalawa na sila. Look, they are two. Ito ata yung kinakain. They are eating. Some people eating that, yeah?
Yeah, the outside.
Ito yung kinakain na pagong. Pero,
We are praying.
nagdadasal yan dyan ng aking biyanan. Nung nakaraan, sabi ng biyanan ko, kainin mo to. Ay, gusto mo lutuin to. Ako, hindi ako kumakain yan. Ayan o. Hello, mga babies. Ayan sila.
Hello, mama baby, can you touch this one? Hello, mama baby.
No, don't touch it. They will eat you. Come here, look the guava, it's big. Daddy, I saw the guava yesterday. Can we buy next time, huh? Let's buy next time, okay? Look, it's big. Kadaming bunga. So, ayun gumamela. Itong ginagamit ng aking biyanan sa pagdadasal niya. Ayan. Gumamela tawag dito, di ba? Ay, gumamela ba to? Pero ano siya eh. Malaki siya. Iba yung gumamela ata eh. Iwan ko ito ata yan. O, tingnan niyo naman. Ay, pakita mo yung mga ano, yung mga danya pati. Dry na siya. Wala nang ano. Hindi na, kailangan na tanggalin yan. May sili doon, oh. Ayan, mayroon pa. Ayan, marami na naman akong kangkong. Gusto ko magluto ng kangkong ulit, kaso gusto ko yung luto na nila, yung dry. Kasi yung toyo hindi maganda, yung nabili namin toyo nung nakaraan. Although pawas na, masarap talaga yung toyo na ano, yung dato puti na toyo. Ayan, kasi yung in-order ko sa online dati, kasi natakot na ako doon, may nakalagay na hindi pwede sa pregnant, buntis daw. Kaya,
Let's go in the room.
yung bahay ng kambing ito,
Yeah, let's go.
they are there.
Maybe.
Pakita natin yung bahay ng kambing ulit, check natin ulit.
Look, secret. Who's there inside?
Hello, knock.
Who's there?
Who's there? Hello, mami.
Wow.
Kumusta po?
Okay.
Hi, mami. Ayan sila.
Oh, last night that's why it smell. Look, my father he burned because of the.
Ayan. Yun yung isa buntis din yan eh. Kaya pag dumating yan, mag-away-away din yan sila. So, labas na tayo, hayaan lang natin sila. No, daddy, they need the ano. They need the warm ano. You cannot come out. Yeah. So, ayan. Thank you so much po. Yun ko na po yung video ko. In-update ko lang kayo sa aming likuran. Ang laki ng ano, ang palaya. Yung aming bahay, likod bahay. Kaya yon. Maraming salamat po. Hindi ko alam, gusto ko kumain ng ampalaya. Kaso hindi ko alam yung ibang luto. Diyan alam ko lang yung may itlog. Tapos yung pinakbet, kaso kulang naman ako ng ano. Wala naman ako ng magic sarap. Kaya yon. Thank you so much po. Bye-bye.